स्वागत. सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ वांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व NN पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ.
Hello students, good morning. Today we all learn the last topic of the chapter. First point is that operation on sets. There are 1, 2 and 3 types of operations. First one is that intersection of two sets. So what is the definition of intersection of two sets? See here, suppose A and B are two sets. We have given A and B two sets. The set of all common elements. This is common word is important. Common elements of set A and B is called intersection of the set AB. It is denoted by like this here symbol A intersection B. So this symbol is called intersection of two sets and read as A intersection B. For example, A intersection B is a set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. It means that the intersection of two, it means that the elements of set A and elements of set B, which are the common elements of both the sets. Now see here one example given you. Set A contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, these 5 elements, and set B contains 2, 4, 6, 8, these 4 elements. So which are the common elements are here? So here 2 and 4. Both the sets have contained 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These two elements are common. Hence we write A intersection B equal to 2, 4. With the help of Venn diagram, we better understand. See here, set A and set B. These two sets are given. How many elements are there in set A? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all elements are in set A. Similarly, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the elements of set B. And which are the common elements? See, 2 and 4. These two elements are common. We write here in the separate box that is called intersection of two sets. Now next set, that is disjoint set. What is meant by disjoint set? If two sets have no common elements, then the two sets are said to be disjoint set. Here two sets have common elements, so you write here A intersection B in curly bracket, that you write the common elements. But here there is no common element. See here, for example, A equal to 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7 and B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Hence A intersection B equal to 5. 5 means that empty set, because both the set have no common element. Hence we write set A and set B are disjoint sets. Now third one, operation on the set, that is third set is union of two sets. So what is mean by union of two sets? Let A and B similarly here. These are the comparatively you understand what is given and how can you to write the intersection and union of the set. So here also A and B are two given sets. Then the set of all elements of set A and B is called the union of two sets. Here set of all elements and here set of common elements. It is the difference between these two sets. So all elements, it is called the union of two sets. It is written as A union B like this. This symbol like U is called union and read as A union B. For example, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write union of set A and B like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Sometimes there are common elements between these two sets, so you write that common element once, not more than 2 times. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how can you write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? It means that 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, these are the common elements, but we cannot write that 2 times, only once we write here and complete this union of sets. Now next point is the number of elements in a set. The number of elements in a set. See here example, let A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is given set with 5 elements. We understand there are 5 elements in the given set. So the number of elements in this set A is denoted by n into bracket A. It means that number of elements in set A. Na, it means that number of elements set in A. And therefore we write, therefore Na equal to 5. And last point is that the number of elements in union and intersection of two sets. So how can you find out the number of elements in union and intersection of two sets? So for that finding the number of elements in union and intersection of two sets can be found with the help of formula, that is important formula here, n of A union B equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. That is the important formula you remember for the solving the examples. Now we solve practice set 1.4. See example number 1. If number of elements in set A equal to 15, number of elements in B, A union B equal to 29, number of elements in A intersection B equal to 7, then find number of elements in set B. So first of all you read the question and then you write what we have given. So here answer, here we have given number of elements in A, set A is 15, number of elements A union B is 29 and number of elements in A intersection B equal to 7, then we write here B equal to question mark. In this way you write the first step of the answer. Now then you write the formula. Here we know the formula which we have studied in the previous point, that is number of elements in A union B equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So you substitute these values given in the formula. A union B, number of elements A union B equal to 29, number of elements in A equal to 15, number of element B we have find, and number of elements in A intersection B is 7. Now you add, you subtract 15 minus 7 equal to 8 plus number of elements in B. You get this 8 to the left hand side, it will becomes minus 29 minus 8 equal to number of elements in B. Therefore 29 minus 8 equal to 21. So your answer is number of elements in set A equal to 21. So in this way you substitute the value, add, subtract the values and then find the final answer. Now we solve the question number 2. This is the important question. It is word problem. You can read that problem 1, 2, 3 times if you understand. So up to that stage you can read that question carefully and then you write the answer. You first understand what you have given and what you to solve. So I read the question first. You remember it. In a hostel there are 125 students, out of which 80 drinks tea, 60 drinks coffee and 20 drinks both tea and coffee. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. So here first of all what we have given, so there is a hostel and in that hostel there are 125 students. Out of them 80 students are drink tea, 60 students are drink coffee and 20 students that are both drink tea as well as coffee. So how many students are do not drink tea or coffee? Mean that how many students are there, you find out they do not drink tea as well as coffee. So first of all read the question. From that we can write some important points like this. Let U be the set of all students in hostel. We know how many students are there, 125. For that you can write first U be the set of all students in a hostel, and let set A be the set of students who drink tea and let B be the set of students who drink coffee. For drinking tea you can write a set and for drinking coffee you write set B. Now from the given information then you write like this: number of elements in the set U. How many elements are there? There are total 125, so you write 125 students are there. How many students are drink tea? So 80. You see here A be the set of students who drink tea. We can write for tea set A. So you write Na equal to 80. Coffee, for the coffee we can write here B the set of student drink coffee. So for NB equal to 60 and both 20 students both tea and coffee drinks both tea and coffee. Therefore you write here number of elements in A intersection B equal to 20. So you write the formula and then solve the question. Number of element A union B equal to number of element A plus number of element B minus number of element A intersection B equal to number of elements A equal to 80 plus number of B equal to 60 minus 20. A intersection B equal to 20. 140 minus 20 equal to 120. N A union B equal to 120. It means that you find out the union of these two sets. So therefore last sentence we will write down here: the number of students who do not drink tea and coffee equal to. Finally you write here number of element in universal set NU minus number of elements in N union A, number of elements in A union B equal to 125. See here, number of elements in U equal to 125, union equal to minus 120 equal to 5. So we can find out the answer: student who do not drink tea or coffee, that is 5. So right here, see here, the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee equal to 5 students. So in this way you can solve the question number 2. Now question number 3 and question number 4 are omitted. Remember, in exercise 1.3 I have told you how many questions are omitted. Similarly in this practice set 1.4, 2 and not 2, 3 and 4. 2 questions are omitted. This is the question number 5. You can solve it only at home. It is very simple question. So in this way our chapter 1 is completed. Thanks.
आपले हक्काचे मराठी चॅनल रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल, सदैव आपल्यासोबत रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल. नेहमी पाहत रहा, लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.